ABC Look at Me by Roberta Grobel Intrater. A is for angry when I'm having a bad day. B is for bashful when I'm too shy to play. C is for cheerful when things are going my way. D is for drowsy. I feel sleepy today. E is for embarrassed. Whoops, I made a mess. F is for frightened when I'm scared and distressed. G is for grumpy when I need a good rest. H is for happy. I like this feeling the best. I is for impatient when I want it right now. J is for joyful when I jump up and shout, wow. K is for kind when I'm nice to my friends. L is for loving for all the kisses I send. M is for moody when I'm thinking things through. N is for naughty when you don't like what I do. O is for ouch when I get a boo-boo. P is for playful when there's fun stuff to do. Q is for quiet, shh, don't make a sound. R is for rowdy when I'm fooling around. S is for stubborn when I don't do what I'm asked. T is for tired when I fall asleep real fast. U is for unhappy when I'm feeling sad. V is for victorious when I win I'm so glad. W is for whiny when my demands aren't filled. X is for excited when I'm delighted and thrilled. Y is for yucky when I feel tired and lazy. Z is for zany when I act kind of crazy. Now the story's over. We went from A to Z and finished the alphabet. Hooray for you and me. The end.